Hello learners, welcome to all once again here. Hope you all are doing so good. Now you already know about pronoun. Any words that are used in a place of a noun. Let's talk about indefinite pronoun. The word itself indicates which is not sure. Okay, the words or the things which are indefinite are known as indefinite pronoun. There is a situation where you don't want or do not want to indicate person, places or things specifically or particularly, it is called indefinite pronoun. Means in general sense we can say that where we do not point to anyone or anything in a particular. Okay, that is called indefinite pronouns. Now see some examples like one must not criticize others. Some are born great. All are not invited to today's party. Few men are rich. Many of them fell sick due to overeating. So here one, some, all, few, many are the examples of indefinite pronouns. Let's see some more examples. Nobody was there to rescue the drowning boy. Everybody raised their voice against such treat. Somebody is sitting at the back in the room. So here nobody, everybody, somebody are again examples of indefinite pronouns. Now I will tell you how you can form indefinite pronoun for people, things or place by adding some of the suffixes. For example, let's start with some. So when you add some people, you will form indefinite pronouns like someone, somebody. Then for things, something. If you want to use it for place, then somewhere. Similarly, by adding suffix any, it becomes anyone, anybody, anything, anywhere. Likewise, use suffix no, then nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. And same like every. So for people, we will use everyone, everybody. For things, everything. And if you add suffix for place, every, then everywhere. So this is how we form indefinite pronouns. So students, what we learned today? Let's revise once again. So today we learned about indefinite pronoun. Okay, so what is indefinite pronoun? Those pronouns which are used to refer to person or things in general and where we do not want to point out one or anything in particular. Okay, now let's see some examples. Like one, nobody, each, anyone, anybody, either, everyone, everybody, neither, someone, somebody, nothing. These all are the examples of indefinite pronouns. In the next video, I will explain you about relative pronoun and distributive pronoun. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.